The difference between a boutique portrait photographer and an amateur one isn't more expensive gear, a bigger, better portfolio, or even years of experience. It's 8 specific things that boutique photographers do that amateurs don't, and once you understand them, you'll never look at your business the same way. Hey, I'm Sarah Petty. I've helped over 33,000 photographers build profitable businesses using these exact principles, so let's dive in. Number 1, boutique portrait photographers don't say yes to every inquiry that comes in. Amateurs are so grateful that someone reached out that they will often photograph anyone, anywhere, any place for any price, which means often the wrong client for the wrong price. Boutique portrait photographers, on the other hand, ask questions on that first phone call. Can you tell me what you're looking for? Have you worked with a professional photographer before? What would you want to be different this time? What type of artwork are you looking for your home? These questions help you figure out if this is someone who values the experience and beautiful artwork or someone just hunting for the cheapest option. And if it's not a good fit, boutique portrait photographers are so nice and say, hey, you know what? I love that you're looking for photography, but I don't think I'm the right fit photographer for you right now. But gosh, if you post on social media that you're looking for this, you will find a lot of options. Listen, saying no to the wrong clients creates space for you to find the right ones or learn the skills to find the right ones. Number 2, boutique portrait photographers don't handle all of their client communications through text messages, through DMs, through emails. They get on the phone and they talk to people. You can't build a relationship solely through text. You can't hear tone, you can't read energy, and you can't educate someone about your process through a long text thread. On the phone, you can hear if they're excited or just price shopping. You can explain your process and start building the relationship that makes them want to work with you. Amateurs hide behind their keyboards because they're scared of rejection. I get it, I was there too, but listen, boutique photographers have figured out that the phone call is where the magic happens. That's where you turn an inquiry into a booking into a lifelong client. Number 3, boutique portrait photographers have an in-person consultation before this session. Amateurs might send a questionnaire or an email asking what the client wants, or even send out information telling them how to decide what they want and call it a day. Boutique photographers spoon feed their client. They meet with them either in person or worst case on video and plan out that entire session. So I don't just mean clothing. I mean, we ask questions like, where will these images be hanging in your home? What wall space are you trying to fill? What's your decorating style? But also, this is where you show them your products. You pull out albums and framed wall portraits, your sample books. In person, you'll let them touch and feel what they'll be ordering. And friend, here's the secret. The real selling doesn't happen at the end when they're placing their order. It happens in the consultation so that you know what to photograph. And then at the ordering appointment, they're just picking it. They've already talked about what they want, and you were the one that helped them get there. At the end, you're just helping finalize it. This is the secret no one knows that makes the ordering appointment so easy and what gets those $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 orders. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe to my free weekly newsletter where I share more strategies just like these. I will stick the link in the description below for you. Number 4, boutique photographers don't send inquiries directly to a booking link because when someone can book without talking to you, you skip the valuable relationship building and you let price shoppers book who are just looking for the cheapest option. Boutique portrait photographers use their website to generate inquiries, not bookings. The call to action is reach out and let's schedule a time to talk about what you're looking for. That phone call, oh my gosh, it's so important. It's where you build value. It's where you explain the experience that you're about to create. It's where you help them go from, I'm just looking for someone to take pictures, to, oh my gosh, I hadn't thought about wall art to decorate my home. I love that idea. This is exactly what I want. The extra step filters out the wrong clients and books the right ones. Number 5, boutique professional photographers. They don't set a price for a bundle of digital files. We call that Happy Meals. That's what McDonald's does. Everything is custom with a boutique photographer. Amateurs have their Happy Meals, small, medium, large. But listen, when you do that, you're putting clients in a box. Have you ever done that? And then they're like, well, can I trade this for that? And what if I do this and they want to change it? Why not just give them exactly what they want and customize it? Boutique portrait photographers have a custom price list, not a la carte, custom. So this is your investment for all of the different products, one at a time, and they're profitably priced. So during the ordering appointment, they're able to have exactly what they want. And it's perfect. And friend, this serves your client better because they're not locked into a package. And I'm telling you, your average order will go up when your clients can pick what they love instead of settling for something preset. And you're not putting a ceiling on what they order because when you have 3 packages, they're going to pick one of them. When you actually learn how to serve your client, the sky's the limit. Number 6, boutique portrait photographers don't overestimate the importance of gear. Imagers think, oh, when I get all the latest cameras and newest lenses and fanciest equipment, I will then be worthy of calling myself a professional or charging more. But boutique portrait photographers know that it's not about the gear. Literally, I can photograph a $5,000 order with one camera, a lens, and a reflector. I've done it many times. Your clients don't care what camera you're using. They care about the experience you create and the final artwork that you create for them. If you invest in your business systems first, meaning your marketing, your client experience, the sales process, then you'll have all the money you want to buy whatever extra gear you want. Number 7, boutique portrait photographers work with a professional lab instead of shopping online for the cheapest option or telling clients to print it themselves. Amateurs go to Walgreens or they just sell digital files, and prints, if their clients even print them, come back with skin that's purple or green or blown out highlights. Boutique portrait photographers have a relationship with a pro lab. They know how their images will look printed. The color is accurate. The quality is consistent. The lab I have used for many years, they're called White House Custom Color. If you don't have a lab that thrills you, go to WHCC.com, WhiteHouseCustomColor.com, and check them out and sign up with them and learn what pro prints actually look like. And listen, when you're selling wall portraits, the prints need to be really good. If a client hangs a $1,500 portrait in their home and the skin tones are green, it makes you look bad. And if they're printing it at Walgreens, that's what's going to happen. Do pro labs cost more? Sure, but it's relative compared to what you're going to be charged. So you're competing on quality and experience, not on price. Number 8, boutique portrait photographers invest in packaging. Amateurs hand over prints in a manila envelope or a plastic sleeve from the lab. Boutique portrait photographers deliver their work in beautiful packaging, vellum bags with tissue, custom boxes, branded ribbon. If your client's going to invest a couple $1,000s in wall portraits, the unboxing matters. When they see how beautifully everything is presented, it reinforces that they made the right decision with you. And you can get beautiful packaging for a few bucks per order. And really, it's one of the easiest ways to elevate your brand and reinforce the value of what you're charging. And it makes your clients feel amazing. Friend, pick one thing from this list and implement it this week, and then pick another and another. That's how you build a professional business. Don't get stuck in learning mode, get stuck in implementing mode. If you need help implementing these strategies into your photography business, book a free call with my team. I set this up just for my YouTube listeners, so the link is in the description below. Book a call and see what's possible for you.